Good morning, students. Our today's topic is heating effect of electric current. By means of heating effect is the when small current or we can say current is passing through some conductor, then the conductor produces some heat. So we can say this production of heat energy when electric current passing through the conductor. Okay, as we know that in our home appliances also there is production of heat when current passing through these devices, like in a electric bulb. When we switch on the electric bulb, then it becomes red hot after some time. Okay, similarly in case of electric iron, by passing of electric current, iron become hot. Similarly in case of heaters also, these are some examples which shows the heating effect of current. So why this heat is produced by passing through the current? Let us see. Consider we have conductor like this. Now if we apply some voltage, or we can say if we connect a battery through a switch S across the end of the conductor, then what happened? we, we know that a conductor is consist of large number of free electrons. Okay, when a switch is closed, then due to the force applied by the battery, these electrons are attracted towards the positive terminal, so that we can say electrons start moving in this direction. Okay, but when these electrons move in the conductor, because of the large population of electrons and the positive ion present in the conductor, the electron these conduct this connecting electron strike with the other electrons, and hence they make collision with the electrons as well as the atom present in the conductor. So we can say electron start flowing in this direction and electric current opposite to that in this direction, and when they make collision, due to this collision there is production of heat. Okay, so this collision is basically the source of the production of heat, or this collision is also responsible for the resistance of the device or the conductor. Okay, more are the collision, more heat is produced, or we can say more is the resistance. So we can easily say that with increase in the resistance of the device, there is the production of heat is more. So related with this heating effect of current, there is a law known as Joule's law of heating. Joule's law gives us information about the factors on which the heat produced by the conductor is depend upon. So according to this law, according to this law, the heat produced in a conductor in a conductor is, first one, directly proportional to the square of the current flowing through the conductor. So we can write H, that is heat produced, is directly proportional to the square of the conductor. Say it is equation 1. Now Second one is the heat produced is directly proportional to the resistance of conductor or device. So we can say heat is directly proportional to the R. Say equation second, and third statement is that the heat is directly proportional to the time in which current is flowing. So heat produced directly proportional to the time. Say equation 3. So collecting equation first, second and third, we get the heat is directly proportional to, or we can say heat produced is equivalent to I square R T. So this is the formula which can be used to find out the heat produced by any device. Say equation 4. Now interpreting the formulation for I, R and T, we get I square must be equal to I must be equal to V upon R. So we can write here I square is V square upon R square into RT. So H must be write as V square upon R into T. Say this is the equation number 5. And similarly, we know that R is equal to V upon I. Now putting this in equation, this H is equal to I square RT. So here R is equal to V upon I. So we get I square V upon I into T. Then I is cancelled out. So we get only V I T. So it is another relation. Say equation number 6. So all these equations are for the heat produced by a device when current is flowing through that. These all formulation can be used for solving the numericals. Okay. Now we can discuss about the devices in which the heat is produced by the flowing of electric current. These devices are, first one is a electric bulb, the next is an electric iron, electric heater, microwave oven, next one is say an electric fuse, etc. All these are the devices. Out of these, some devices produces a desirable effect. For example, we know that for the working of electric iron, heat is necessary. So we want only heat produced by the iron. So it is a desirable if effect of current. Similarly, in case of electric heater, we need more and more heat. So electric heater is also a desirable device. Same is the microwave oven. But in case of electric bulb, we need only light, not the heat. So it is known as undesirable effect. In case of some other devices like an electric motor or a refrigerator or a water cooler, etc., we need only for this a mechanical work. So we cannot need the heat produced by a refrigerator, electric motor or some other devices. So all these devices are an example of undesirable heating effect of the current. Thank you very much.